So hey guys, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add reverb to your audio which you are using for maybe for the music purpose. You can do this via Audacity software, which is a audio editing software just like a Premiere Pro, which is the video editing software. It has a lot of features. You can download the Audacity software from any site. It is an open source software, so it is available for free. Once you download the Audacity software and just simply install it and just simply open the software in your PC. When you open the software, you can see a window will open right in front of you just like this. So all you have to do is to just simply click on the first file option. When you click there, you will see an option of open. When you hit open, a window will open right in front of you, from where you have to browse and select the file you want to open in the software. The file should be in form of audio. It may be MP3, MPG or anything, but it should be an audio file format. When I select, for example, this audio file format, you can see the audio file has been opened in my PC and it is showing the track of that particular audio. Now in order to add the reverb to this audio section, all I need to do is to just simply select any area in which I want to apply the effect. For example, if I select this area, or if you want to select all of the track, just simply hit Ctrl+A on your keyboard and all of the track has been now selected. Now to apply the filter, all you have to do is to just simply click on the effect button at the top window. You will see an option of delay and reverb. When you hit there, you can see the last option of reverb. Just simply click on this option and a window will open right in front of you with a lot of options. You can select the options as per your convenience while previewing the audio you want to edit, and you can select the amount as per your convenience via moving this bar. Once you set the amount as per your convenience, it may be once automatically selected the value which is best for your audio, or if you want to customize it, you can do that. Once you finished editing the values, just simply hit apply and the reverb has been added to your audio. So by this method, you can easily add reverb to your audio and make your music audios more powerful. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.